The Boy Who Cried Wolf. Once upon a time, there lived a shepherd boy. Oh, I'm so bored. Is there anything fun I can do? The shepherd boy came up with an idea, and he ran to town yelling, "Ow! Wolf! Wolf! There's a wolf!" Where's the wolf? The village people came out with stick and cup. Yeah, I just made that up. I can't believe I tricked you all. Those people became furious, and they left. The boy had so much fun playing the wolf trick again. A few days later, the boy played the wolf trick again. Ow! Wolf! Wolf! The people came out running their stick and clubs again. I tricked you again. You evil boy! We're never going to follow this trick again. The people went even more furious this time when they left. Then one day, a big and scared wolf really disappeared. Help! Please! Someone help! There's a wolf! Really! There's a wolf! This goes again. Does he think we're going to follow the trick again? That's absurd! Hearing this cry, the people didn't move an inch. But in that time, the wolf ate all the sheep. Oh